Did you know most users miss out on ChatGPT's real power? They use simple prompts and get ordinary answers, but you can unlock amazing results with a few tweaks. Let's dive in. First, understand that prompts are crucial. A well-crafted prompt leads to better responses. Instead of asking, "What's the weather?" try, "What's today's weather in New York?" This provides context for a more accurate answer. Next, be specific. Vague questions yield vague answers. If you want restaurant recommendations, say, "Suggest 5 Italian restaurants in Boston." This gives ChatGPT direction to provide valuable suggestions. Don't hesitate to add context. The more details you give, the targeted the response. For example, "Help me plan a birthday party for an 8-year-old girl with a unicorn theme," will generate a focused response. Now, consider the format of the answer. If you prefer a list, simply ask for 3 key benefits of regular exercise. This influences how the information is presented. Lastly, experiment and have fun. ChatGPT improves with practice. Try variations of your prompts to see what works best for you. For example, instead of just asking for healthy recipes, you could ask, "Can you give me 3 quick vegan dinner recipes that require under 30 minutes?" This not only saves time, but ensures you receive targeted content. Recap. Craft precise prompts, add details, specify formats, and enjoy the process. Better prompts mean better answers. Now it's your turn. Start using these tips with ChatGPT today.